Welcome back to the channel. So here we are today. We're going to look at our latest purchase, the Enduro 24 made by RC Element, or Element RC, whatever you prefer. This is the RCR version. So let's get this thing unboxed. So here we are, nice little box there. Doesn't give a lot of information on the front, but quite a nice picture of the truck. Enduro 24, 124 scale, ready to run off-road Senduro trail truck. Looks quite nice that. Let's see what else is on the box. Pictures of the trucks with two colours. This one here on the end is telling me that I have ordered the blue and red. Obviously that would be black and yellow if you order the black and yellow one. The other end picture there, just of the black and yellow one on its own. Doesn't look too bad there in the picture. There is some information there. I'll just hold it there for a little while. You can pause the video and read that if you wish. Let's get in there a bit closer. I'm not going to read that out and bore you to death. So let's have a look at the back. Okay, we've got the obviously chassis features, and we've got it in some different languages here. Characteristics. Alright, we'll have a look at this briefly. So chassis features, what we got: 4-link front and rear suspension, chassis mounted servo, CMS. That's what CMS stands for, chassis mounted servo. And then we have this, I've heard about these, the forward mounted motor and divorce transfer case. Now I don't particularly know a lot about these, so I'm going to have to learn myself, but here looks like quite a good statement. So it says here, the forward forward mounted motor puts the heaviest part of the rig over the front tyres. This forward bias weight keeps the front tyres on the ground and provides better front grip during ascents. The divorce transfer case provides a lower centre of gravity in a compact space. Not only does this combination perform well, it also adds scale realism, allowing for plenty of room should you want to add a custom body or interior. And then we've got a little bit of gear ratios, spurs, pinions, transmissions and stuff like that. So I'll just keep that there for you to read. Okay, what else we got in the box? On the top of the box there, it just says actual size. So I'll hold my hand up there. So it's roughly the same size as my hand, really. It's not bad at all. Okay. Let's get this out of the box. Oh, here we have the handset. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. That looks quite cool. Got all your trims there and bits like that, and your on and off switch and stuff. Got a nice foam wheel. Nice and light, nice and small. Looks great for the one-handed driving. Yeah, quite like that. That's quite cool. Quite small as well, really nice. So, where do the batteries go? Okay, well, there's this little clip at the back, just here. Press it up and slide off the pistol grip part itself. And on the top there, another clip. Push that in, pull that out. I've already inserted the batteries. These take AAA batteries. That's 4 AAA batteries, yeah, not AA's. They don't come with it. Okay, you have to purchase them yourself. And again, it just slots in there. Press it down, pick up the top part. I can see what I'm doing. Yeah, you have to keep that switch up, lock it in, job done. Nice blue light tells you that it's on. It actually says low, but they're brand new batteries, so I can't see how that there. Okay. Alright, well, that's the handset. Like that. That's going to come in handy now for the one-handed driving. And this part here, if you're running multiple Senduro 24s, save on batteries and stuff, you can just slide that off and slide it on another one of these, which is binded to that relevant truck, or take it as a spare, even if you're out on the trail or at a crawler park or a little competition or anything like that. So that's not a bad idea. Quite like that. So what do we get in the box? We get a nice little instruction booklet with the USB charger there, a couple of extended body mount posts should you wish to buy the other body. I believe there's another body that's like SUV type, has the back part on there like that, all in one. That's pretty good. Nice little booklet there in the bag. And here we have the truck itself. Looks quite cool. Nice bright colours. Check that out. It's got these nice super soft tyres on them. Look, I don't know how well they'll perform out on our 124 crawler park, but should grip quite well. Basic body pins to hold the body down. Not too much of a sunken bed. Get some accessories stuck on there, that's not too bad. Not too much of a scale body like the Axials, but overall does look a little toyish, but overall quite like that. You can have a look and you can see the suspension in there. That's quite good. They won't be oil filled, I would have thought. Looks quite good. Should be alright that out on the trail. Okay, let's get these body pins off. Let's try it one-handed, they are quite small. So let's have a look. So, grey painted on the inside, pre-painted, and got some decals stuck on there. Not like the Axials, it's just got the grey windows there. I'll probably at some point cut those out and put something clear in there, but maybe get a driver figure in there, something like that. Decal lights, Element name on the back, it's not too bad. Quick overview of the truck then. So comes with this tiny little battery. Look how small that is in my hand now. That is a Wolf Pack made by Reedy. One cell, 520 milliamp. Well, we don't know how long that will last, but I'm sure it will last long enough. Good job. We purchased a spare. I like to have a spare battery, so we're going to have plenty of fun with that. So purchased a spare as well. So here we go. So that's them shocks there that we can see. Not too bad. They're a bit more springy on the front, the back, sorry, than they are the front. Don't know the reason behind that, but seems to be alright. So there we got the front mounted servo, steering servo, okay, which is linked down there at the bottom there. Probably go for an aluminium horn one day. And just like everybody knows that's been with the channel a while, I'll only upgrade something when it breaks or fails completely. There's the tiny little motor as well at the front. That's where the battery is installed at the back there, under these two rubber bands. There we have the RX45 ESC, water resistant, can be LiPo or NIM switched. bind button there, on and off button, quite like that. It's got the water resistant, or could even be waterproof protector on it. That's quite good. There's the connector for the battery, and here is this divorced transfer case, smack bang straight in the middle. Like I said, I don't know a lot about them, so if you've got anyone out there with any technical information, please leave a comment in the box below. Underneath looks quite cool. Here we've got the pumpkins there, they look quite good. There you go, that's not too bad. So holding it in the middle there, it does want to lean slightly forward, but overall a good balance, not too bad though, quite like that. So the tyres as well, again quite small, super soft, haven't got too much of a bad tread on them, quite like those. So best thing we can do is to take that outside, I think, and give it a little run out, which will be on our next video. Haven't got too much time to do that today, so we will get that out on our 124 crawler park, see how it performs, do a little review out there on that, and then we will obviously do a video to see how well it performs against these two bad boys. That's the actual 24 C10 Chevy RTR, and that's the actual actual 24 Jeep Rubicon Gladiator. So we'll see. So just in comparison, we'll just have a little size comparison now. So they look pretty similar in width. Obviously tyre sizes, bigger tyres and wheels on the Jeep there, and on the C10 Chevy. Okay, let's have a look at the lengths now, just as size comparison, because they do say these three trucks are 124 scale. So let's have a look from the top. As you can see, the Senduro is considerably smaller than the Jeep Rubicon, but we know that has an extended chassis on it. So let's get that one out of the picture. So let's compare it a little bit more to the C10 Chevy. So you can see down there the wheelbase is just slightly longer on that. So overall pretty similar in size, should perform quite well. I've watched loads of videos on these, not everyone likes these, but quite a lot of people like them. That's why I bought one. I thought, well, why not? We've got two axials, we'll get some more axials in the future, but we'll get one of these, see how it performs. If it does well, we'll buy another one, maybe the SUV type, that's got the SUV type body, not the pickup version. We'll see how we go. So stay tuned, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video where this will get a nice review and then a battle against these two. So thanks for watching, and thanks for your continued support. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and feel free to leave a comment in the box. Any advice would be welcome, because I know absolutely nothing about these, how well they perform, what issues anyone's had with them. I'm just going to use mine as a little trail truck and see how it crawls over the course, but quite impressed with it overall. Okay, and now if we open the box up, now we've got everything out. I've seen these on some channels there, so if you take a good look inside this box now, it's a scale garage of some description. Now, it may say in the instruction booklet where to cut and whatnot, but if it doesn't, I'm sure there's loads of YouTube videos out there, because I wouldn't really want to mess it up. And got ourselves a little scale garage. I'm sure once it's all folded out properly, it'll look quite cool, I think, in there. Okay, on to the next part.